How to show or hide app notifications content on lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or Ultra or Edge. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we go down and tap on notifications. After that, tap on app notifications. Now scroll down the list here. In the list of apps, tap on the app that you want to change. Then we scroll down and tap on show content on lock screen. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.